We are here to start a journey or to continue a journey so that we transform and take control of our own financial destinies. So how many people here are ready to learn about making a bunch of money? How many people?
We've basically taken things that we've observed empirically over years and we've turned them into systems.
If you don't have your hand raised, you're probably in the wrong workshop.
We've turned real world knowledge and said, you know, we don't take our computers and start looking backwards at a bunch of data and try to force fit things.
This is about not putting your financial well-being into the hands of someone else.
Because when you get out in the real world, they won't work. Tomorrow's never exactly like yesterday.
We're here to talk about transforming our own financial destinies.
So we look at repeatable patterns that happen over and over again.
But to do this, for all of us, we probably need to learn some new skills.
The second something comes down, the public becomes fearful.
There are some things that we need to learn how to do that we're not doing right now.
Institutions like to buy when markets are dropping.
We can teach you the numbers, the rules, the regulations, and how things work.
What this hedge fund in a box does mathematically, it buys fear and it sells greed over and over. So you become a toll taker instead of a toll payer.
But it won't matter one bit if you don't apply it.
Welcome to Caesar's Palace! The Las Vegas part of our program is beginning.
In our game, which replicates the My Hedge Fund in a Box 65% win rate. What is that win rate again?
65%.
Is that an edge?
Yes.
That's an edge. Round and round she goes. A winner!
Everybody's a winner.
How many of you have enjoyed this journey so far this weekend? How many of you feel that we're delivering on what we promised for you? People ask me all the time, they ask me, how can we harness the volatility of stocks and turn that volatility into our trusted personal assistants instead of something we're afraid of? We said, this we can do. How many of you are ready to take some action and actually transform yourself?
What I'd like to do is give you the present, but I would not like you to open it just yet. Is that okay? Thank you. Nobody cares more about my money than me.
And you're going to get an email, and the email is going to tell you exactly what to do.
What's the first rule about taking care of your money?
I'm going to give you multiple opportunities to see your ship come in.
Because what happens is that when we give our money away and we see that we lost a little bit, we start pressing to try to get that money back. And we lose a little bit more of it.
The first thing you have to do with your money is to control the risk.
And we lose a little bit more of it.
We're going to manage exposure through asset allocation. How much goes into a given ETF?
The markets are a complex world.
We want to figure out, is money on the move into an area which means it's going to be treated well, because when enough money comes into a particular instrument, at some point that price is going to rise.
And that's what the Smart Step program does.
Over and over.